Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to use Facebook on iPhone without installing the app. This saves storage space, improves battery life, and keeps your phone running faster. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari on your iPhone. You can use Chrome too, but Safari works great for this. In the search bar, type facebook.com and tap Go. This opens the mobile Facebook website. If you're logged out, just enter your login credentials and tap Login. Once logged in, you can use Facebook normally. Scroll your feed, react to posts, comment, send messages through Facebook Messenger, watch videos. Everything works just like the app. Here's a bonus tip. Tap the share icon at the bottom of Safari. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. Rename it to Facebook if you'd like, then tap Add. Now you have a Facebook shortcut on your home screen that opens instantly without using Safari each time. And that's it. You now know how to use Facebook without the app on iPhone, saving storage and battery. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.